Breathe, buddy.
You got that!
Brent, you alright, fool? Brent, you okay?
Oh. See what happens when me and Eddie get reunited? Things happen.
Are you alright?
What happened? I'm not going down to me. Alright, I'm okay. Oh my God! One, two, three, four. Oh! I can't breathe.
Well,
I can't breathe. Ah.
you want me to turn that off? Grandpa!
Do you want to help me? You don't really care to help me.
Land on your back.
He's out cold. He's alright? He's out. He's out. Deep breath. Deep breath.
These buckets are filled with grapes. What kind of grapes?
These are filled with Chamberson grapes, and the winner this Saturday, who's studying music, eating international foods, having wine tours and tastings, vineyard tours, seminars, arts and crafts. It's a lot of fun, a whole day. Stop. Oh, 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 I can't, ow, 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 oh, stop, oh, stop, oh, I can't breathe, stop.
Remember, if I can't get any face shots, you can't either. I'm not trying to go for face shots. You just hit.
He's gonna throw. He's gonna throw up. Oh, dude. Joy, what did you do?
Yeah, dude. I don't know.
Oh, you alright?
Dude, you guys.
Oh, you alright?
No, I can't breathe. Oh shit.
It's not even hard.
I can't freaking breathe.
You just got like your whatever.
We're knocked out.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt.
Before you land on
Really, I thought it tickled.
It kinda hurt.
Gotcha, bro. Gotcha. We got help coming on the way. I got the bike, man. I got the bike.
Okay. I just need to lay here a second. I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm okay. I just need to lay here a second. I just hit myself really hard.
I understand, man.
I was only screaming because the exhaust was on me.